Welcome to our video on the meaning and importance of SEO keywords. In this video, we'll explain how SEO keywords work, how to find and optimize them, and the concept of keyword density. What are SEO keywords? SEO keywords are words or phrases that describe the content of your website or web page. These are the terms people use when searching for information on search engines. To optimize your website, you need to identify and use these keywords effectively. To find the right keywords, you should identify an interesting topic for your page or website. Develop your content with engaging texts and images. Use tools to discover the most searched keywords related to your topic. Replace texts with synonyms or similar words to maintain a natural flow. It's crucial to strike a balance between using keywords and conveying your message to users. This balance ensures that your content attracts potential customers and is recognized by search engines as relevant. What is keyword density? Keyword density is the percentage of keywords in your text. Ideally, it should be between 1% and 3%. For a 1,000-word text, this means using your target keywords around 30 times. This helps avoid being flagged as spam. Identify one or two main keywords, known as focus keywords, and integrate them carefully into your title and meta description tags. This helps search engines understand the focus of your content. Understanding and optimizing SEO keywords is essential for improving your website's visibility on search engines. Remember to use the right tools, maintain a balance between keywords and content, and keep your keyword density within the recommended range. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more SEO tips and tricks. Also, give this video a like if you learned something new today.